So anyway, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about my very cool new invention? How likely is it for me, the actual inventor, the person that came up with this cool idea as an entrepreneur here in America, right? The idea could be like European or Italian inventorship, and then we have Japanese make this cool idea kawaii or something, right? Make it look really cute with Japanese Toyota manufacturing, but then build it in America here on American soil so that it can be, America first. Like, I'm willing to do all the things. But what do you think is actually going to happen with this idea? Do you really think that an American brand here in America, like Coca-Cola, could sponsor this, or Ford could come in and knock at my door, or any company in the world, right, could drop me a comment on YouTube, right? Drop me a comment on YouTube and say, Marco reviews, junk dumper reviews, son of a gun. I love your idea. We're ready. We have a factory. We have all the infrastructure required to get this up and running. Let's do business together. Do you think that is actually what would happen here in America? Do you? Because if you think that, you are a total moron. It will never happen. It will never happen. So I am basically the perfect, unlike Superman, right? Superman is the ultimate anchor alien baby, right? He's the anchor baby from the alien planet, drops down to the earth, parachutes down to the earth, and crash lands on the planet, right? And all kinds of things ensue of that, right? That's a problem, and so now we have issues with Hollywood and all that good stuff. Great. Make America great again. Make aliens, anchor babies great again. Anyway, no, that is not who I am. I actually came all the way from Europe, from Italy to America as an entrepreneur, right? That is what America is supposed to be about, right? And I came to America, to this country, with all kinds of cool ideas. And this is only the latest and greatest of my ideas. A 3D track for your car where you can play with your cool RC cars, right? That is the latest and greatest. I've had so many other so-called moonshots that didn't work out. But this is a brand new idea, right? We're not even trying to challenge the status quo. This is not something that is against national security like my Bumpaflex idea or free energy or over unity or any kind of thing like that. This is just innovation. Something cool that anybody could build in about a week, and we could have this on the market in a year. Do you think any company in America is actually going to drop me a comment on YouTube or social media or anything and say, hey, Marco Reviews, you junk dumping son of a gun, I will help you to make this a reality, and we together can sell this product?